How can I get list of values from Dict? How can I get a list of the values in a Dict in Python? In Java, getting the values of a map as a list is as easy as doing list is equal to map.values. I'm wondering if there is a similarly simple way in Python to get a list of values from a Dict.
Dict.values returns a view of the dictionary's values, so you have to wrap it in list.
Follow the below example.
You can use star operator to unpack dict_values or list object.
There should be one and preferably only one obvious way to do it. The for list, dictionary.values, is the one way. Yet, considering Python 3, what is quicker? *L versus .extend L versus list L. Done on Intel Core TM i7-8650U CPU at 1.90 GHz. The result. For small dictionaries, *operator is quicker. For big dictionaries where it matters, list is maybe slightly quicker.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.